This is Aurelio's project, his first solo one. Really small. I got started with these small landscapes. It's the reason that I took this one on, is it's just a good starter. So he's getting the mini unloaded. I just got some dirt dropped, so I'm gonna run through the basics for him, and we will see how he does today. I'm gonna be delivery boy, then I got some irrigation that I'm gonna do once I get him squared away. Went ahead and dropped the dirt here and set it in the driveway, just because it's a new pour. We're fairly new and I don't want to tear up our driveway. That's the layout for the front. This is where all the dirt is going. We are going to do a landscape bed over here, and we're going to take dirt and regrade this, level this out, and we'll sod this. I don't know if that's sod or astroturf. Looks like astroturf. So she's got dogs just like you, so
yeah,
she's got
what mine have done.
Yeah. Hey pup. You can stay out here. We just wanted to go over the I got a mini Australian, and that's all it does. So I'm immune. Like, I'm used to it. Soil in here and bring it up to the grade along the concrete. We'll lay sod on top of that. It'll settle down and be just peachy. This will be your grade mark. Man, whoever did this slab, that's going this way, but I guess. Anyways, that'll be your mark to kind of come off of, and kind of taper it down here and fill this area in, but with the concrete up there, the driveway. All right, so we are getting loaded with some mulch for this job here at my local yard, which is Reed Rock. Reed Rock, Reed Rock, who rock? Reed rocks. Oh, they got a commercial, it's got a little jingle. Who's got the rocks? Reed's got the rocks. That's it. So we're getting loaded back there, getting a little extra. I have this mulch, and my wife wants some color, so we'll remulch mine with whatever's left. But yeah, take this back to Aurelio so he can do his job. Alrighty, so I stopped and got some plants for this job. Went to my local nursery supplier. I use a supplier out of Indianapolis, but I have a local supplier that gets from them. They order larger amounts, so they cut me a fair deal. So I can't complain. So I went ahead and got some stuff for them, or for this job, from them. And so we're heading to see Aurelio, see what he got done. It better be a lot. It better be all that dirt. It better be cleaned up, polished up, shined up, and shaved. We'll see what he get done. All right. So I've been gone for about an hour and a half, and Aurelio's got about half this pile gone. So I'm not sure what's taking so long. Little disappointed. Maybe he has a reason, but we will see here soon enough. Looks like Aurelio got all that dug out up front first. And I of fact, that took a lot of time. Looks like he only did one pass with the Mini, so that's good. Cool, all the grass is dug out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the layout here. And yeah, they did pretty good. He did all right. Just all right. Let's see how far back here. See how it's looking. I might have brought too much dirt, but it's always better to have too much than not enough. Ooh, look at that tight squeeze. I'm sure he's loving that. He should have put dirt right there first. Just told Aurelio was that he's going too slow. And it's just inexperience is all it is. But he came in here and he's taking all this dirt through here, even this section right here, whereas I would have came in here and just lifted up over this fence and dumped over here, and then just dumped piles and gave it just a rough grade and came in here and just raked it, leveled it out. So hey, right now he's grading. Right now Aurelio's over here trying to smooth this out, and then he's gonna go get a load of dirt and he's gonna drive right over this and tear it up. So I don't know why Aurelio is over here trying to finesse this and make it perfect when he's gonna ruin it, unless he's just trying to waste time.
No, I was just trying to get it in so I can just get back out.
It's there. So that's kind of like what's going on, is you just dump it in. So you guys see who's got the rake again today and who's running the machine. Yeah, thought I'd make note of that there, Aurelio. All right, so that's probably a bucket and a half too by the time we clean it up. I'm gonna have him put it in a nice pile. I'll have him start putting mulch in. He's doing all that grading just to drive over with all his mulch. I think I might actually have to have him wheelbarrow the mulch in from the fence back. It'd just be easier. No risk of hitting that gate. Grab that wheelbarrow out of the trailer. Got the mulch going in. I'll go a lot faster once I get this person in. Go back and forth. Aurelio, go back and forth. shirts last night.
Oh, really?
I went with orange this year.
Orange?
I went,
Orange this year?
my second year I went with orange. I'm going orange this year. This is a rare moment in time. The Aurelio is actually braking. Never been seen before. All right, it's probably the last of it that I'm gonna try and scoop up. Got Aurelio, got a nice trench here for that mulch. And we just sprayed the grass, weeded it down. Didn't really want to scrape it because of how low it was, so it all decomposed and become organic material for whatever. But not typically how we do it, but it's how it's getting done. Aurelio's a sneaky mole. That's what he is. He secretly just loves mulch. My kid, I don't know what it is. There's like a, oh, this book. Oh yeah, I remember telling you about it. This book, and it's like a pop-up book or something. It's like this mole is like eating the garden vegetables. And it's like, then there's a sneaky mole. That's what I call the city of Lafayette. Their inspectors, the sneaky moles. Yeah, but really, you're a sneaky mole with this mulch. You like it?
It's pretty cool, dude. I'm telling you, the more I see it, I'm just like, it does a huge difference on like landscaping work.
Yeah.
Just as a small project, you know.
You're the one that said you like stone.
Yeah. And now the more I keep doing it, the more I'm realizing that hey, this stuff is pretty cool.
Mulch is nicer. Why don't you plant those flowers, Aurelio? Why don't you? What'd you do while I was gone? What'd you do while I was gone?
I finished that whole thing and those things up, and I came over here too.
Okay.
And then I keep running into this thing, dude. I moved this one aside because you had these like really close. And then I dug and I hit this thing.
There was probably a tree here at one time. It came in a wire basket with burlap. That's alright. Oh, you already, so you're planting now.
Yeah.
So all this is cut, all of that's cut. So now it's just plant. And I didn't bring another freaking spade. Alright, go ahead, yeah. And just, here, I'll dig and you,
I'm gonna do it this way, just pull it out.
no, leave it there and we'll just cut it. Alright. Aurelio is finishing up the last backbone of the plants. And we're gonna throw this mulch in. And that is a wrap for today. Get the sod ordered and put that in tomorrow, I believe. So, alright. So here it is, Aurelio's landscape. Not cool, this mulch down, it's high up here. Get out of here. Cedar mulch. He'll come through with the broom and clean up this edge. So that way all the mulch is in. Yeah, just give this a rake. I mean, it's fairly flat, but the dogs will get on it.
Yeah.
They'll get on it anyway. But, yeah. That's today's project.
And he got a souvenir.
Oh, yeah. Dude, it actually made me bleed.
Battle scar.
Dude, it's like a lump. That little dog got me. It actually did start bleeding.
You want some antibiotics today?
No. All right, so that's the job for today. Aurelio's gonna wrap it up tomorrow. But I can't believe I got bit by a dog. Dogs love me. I've never met a dog that doesn't love me. I give treats. I'm a softie. But I think it smelled my dogs and was like, you know, territorial. So it got me. But no big deal. I'm not gonna do anything about it. Not one of them crazy people. Yeah, really, I'll finish that up. And look at this customer. This person's grass, not a customer, but it's like they moved part of it. The rest of it's staying. The rest of it's staying. But I'm gonna go get some blocks, some cement block, and for the next project. And yeah, it's warm today, 87. Well, just last week we were getting highs in the 60s, so crazy.